Jamie again from Creations Misfit, and today I want to show you how to do a front post and a back post double crochet. Now I already got started here just so that I kind of have something to hold on to, and we'll go ahead and get started. So with a front post or a back post double crochet, you're going to do it you're basically just doing a double crochet. The only difference is you're going into a different place. So normally, if you see up here on the top, you can see your stitches, all those V's, and hopefully at this point you do know how to do a double crochet. If you don't, if you're an absolute beginner, I do have videos for beginner stitches, and I'll put those in the description box below. So go ahead and check out the double crochet if you haven't done that yet. But otherwise, we'll just go along from here. So here are the stitches on top that we normally go into. So if you're used to going into stitches, you would go under the two loops here. So for a front post double crochet and a back post, you're going to go around the posts instead. So like here's a post, here's a post, here's a post. I hope this is showing up on my camera. Okay, so I've gone through the first two already. So what you do for a front post is you yarn over, just like you would a double crochet, and then here's my next post that I need to go into. So what you're going to do is you're going to insert your hook around the post so that your hook looks like this. And then you just complete your double crochet. Yarn over and pull through, pull up a loop, yarn over and pull through two, yarn over and pull through two, and you've just completed a front post double crochet. Now for a back post, you are going to do the same thing going around the post, but we're going to come from a different angle. So you yarn over, and then sometimes you have to turn your work to kind of do the back post. You're going to go, here's the post that I need to go into. You're going to go from the back. So you put your hook behind the post and then over it this way. And this is what your hook will look like. And then you just complete your double crochet. Yarn over and pull through, yarn over and pull through two, yarn over and pull through the last two. And you've done your back loop double crochet. So let's do a couple more. I'm just alternating here. We'll do the front post again, yarn over, and now we've just gone through this one, so we need to go through this one. We're going to do the front post. So remember, you go in through the front and you come back up through the front. So front post, your hook will always be in the front here. Yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over and pull through two, yarn over and pull through two. Okay, let's do a back post now. Now we've gone through around this one, so we're going to go around this one here. Yarn over, and you're going to come through the back and around the post, and you're going to end up in the back. Okay, so it looks like this from behind and this from the front. Yarn over and pull through, yarn over, pull through two, yarn over and pull through two. All right, let's do one more front post and one more back post, and then I'll leave you to practice. Yarn over, and we've just done this one. You can see from behind. So we need to go around this one. We're going to start from the front, and we're going to end up in the front for the front post. And then do your double crochet. If it looks a little weird to you, I do like kind of a weird thumb thing, and sometimes it looks like an extra step, but it's not. I just always put my thumb up there to hold the yarn for some reason. I just can't break the habit. Okay, and then we'll do one more back post. So we're going to go through this post here. Yarn over, come from the back, up through the front, and we're going to end up in the back. Yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over and pull through two, yarn over and pull through two. And there you have it. So now you know how to do front post and back post double crochet. If I've helped you, or if you have any suggestions or comments for me, please leave them in the link or in the comment section below. I'm just getting started with videos, so I intend to make a lot more. And if there's anything specific that you'd like to see, please let me know. Also, if I've helped you, please give this video a like so that my videos can start to get out to more people that are looking for help with these stitches or patterns, as I do those as well. And if you'd like to subscribe, that would be great too. Thank you so much for watching, and happy crocheting!